So viewers, keep your mind, please save your seed phrases when you want to create account. Yes, if you save your seed phrases, so you can easily restore, recover your wallet anytime. So today we are going to discuss also trust wallet, and in this video we are going to cover three steps. The first step is that how we can deposit or send the money from our trust wallet. Second step, how we can change wallet name. The third step is that how we can recover our wallet. Yes, we will cover three steps in this video, so please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So let's start. You can see here right top corner I have installed already Trust Wallet. First of all, I'm going to enter my password here, and after that we will perform all steps. I'm going to enter my strong password here. Now you can see here my wallet is open front of me. First of all, I'm going to click on full screen, and now you can see here my wallet is open front of me. Our first step is that how we can deposit and withdraw money from our trust wallets. So there is simple step. You can see here I have wallets Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Solana, and Tron. Let's suppose I want to deposit on Ethereum wallet. So simple click on it, and then you can see here there's three options available here: send, receive, and swap. So I need to receive money. Simple is that click on receive button. After that you can see here the QR code is available here and also my wallet address. I just simple copy and open other wallet which is I'm going to use. Let's suppose MetaMask. I have a balance in my MetaMask. Simple click on Ethereum option, and then you can see here there is option available here, send. I have click on send button. Simple is that paste here my wallet address and now enter the amount. Let's suppose I want to send 10 Ethereum. So enter 10 Ethereum and send the money. So after some time your Ethereum will be transferred and you will receive amount in your trust wallet. So now I'm going to discuss this with how we can withdraw money. Let's suppose you have a balance in Ethereum. Simple click on send money. You can need to enter your wallet address. So where you can find, simple again use same scenario. Ethereum, open the MetaMask and click on receive button and click on Ethereum and copy address, and you can simple paste here, enter the amount. Let's suppose you want to send 1 Ethereum. Click on preview button. After some time your amount will be transferred and you will receive amount in your MetaMask. Means how can you withdraw fund from your trust wallet. I hope you probably understand. Our first step is completed. Now we are going to second step, how we can change the name of our wallet. You can see here left top corner there is shown seed phrases 1. So I need to change the wallet name. Simple click on it, and there's not any option available. So what will I do? This is so simple and easy. I just simple click on setting button, and after that you can see here manage wallet. Now seed phrases 1, and you can see here there's pen shown, means you can easily change name from this option. So let's suppose I'm going to type here trust wallet 1. It's depend on you. You can set any name, confirm. Now you can see here our wallet name is change. If you have multiple wallets you can also use same scenario. Now the next step is means last and third step is how we can recover our account. This is so simple and easy. I'm just going to log out. First of all, my wallet lock. You can see here my wallet is locked. So if I need to recover my account, Let's suppose I forget my password or I can't access my wallet. So must I have my seed phrases? You can see here my all seed phrases available here. So keep in mind, when you are going to create accounts, you must have your seed phrases. Otherwise, you can't recover, restore, or import your wallet. Okay. So I'm going to copy my all seed phrases or going to click on reset wallet. You can see here. And now you can see here, you are about to reset your wallets and you must read all caution from here. So I'm going to click on understand. And now click on I have read, and you can see here there is two options available here. I have already account because I have seed phrases, so I just want to recover my wallet. So what will I do? I just simple click on I already have a wallet. Now you can see here there's two options available here. First window hello and second password. I need to enter my password here because I'm going to recover my wallet. Sometimes your browser extension is corrupted, so that you need to recover your wallet or restore wallet, so you can use same scenario. Okay, this is especially for beginners who want to use Trust Wallet. I have entered my password here. Now click on continue button. And you can see here is many wallet is available here. I just need to recover or restore my Trust Wallet. Simple click on it, and then you can see here import with secret recovery phrases. I just simple click on it. This is my main wallet. You can also change your wallet name here. It's depend on you. Let's suppose I'm going to enter Farouk Trust Wallet. Now I have pasted my secret phrases here. You can watch. You can see all secret phrases correct. Now click on import button. So my wallet is going to restore recovered with my seed phrases. It maybe take some time, but you can use same scenario. You can see here my wallet is successfully recovered. So guys, if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.